Hey everybody, G Jr. and we were over at Bob the Builder's, and he always gives us metal for the metal yard. Said that somebody that he knew was throwing away this Shade Tech 2 instant canopy, and of course he said it was broken. So so far the case has got a rip in it, and the foot was sticking out right there. So I guess it unzipped down there. So it's got wheels. We're gonna unzip it and pull it out, and we're going to try to figure out what's wrong with it. All right. Yeah, be careful. They can be sharp. All right, hold on. I can see right, and hold on, flip it up. Let's take a look. All right, look. It's got a broken leg right here that I don't know why they painted it. Do we have the missing leg? Do we have... Oh, wait a minute. We have the missing leg. And grab my camera. Let me just see something here. It's steel. It is steel because see, my magnet sticks to it. So that means this is steel. This whole thing is steel. So it looks like there is two Phillips screws that hold this in. Look, my magical Phillips screwdriver fingers is taking the one out. Oops.
Good luck finding that.
Nope, right there, I got it. And here's the other one. Oh, it looks like somebody tried to weld it back together. Look. Those are Mig wires. So somebody attempted to weld this thing back together and was not successful. So, am I going to have any success welding it back together?
Looks paper thin.
It does look paper thin. So let me see. This goes in here like this. And then, so that means this one goes like this. So it goes... How can it go like that? Oh, but see, this goes here. Okay, hold that piece in there like that. And then this foot should sit here like this. Did they tear it up so bad that there's nothing left?
Looks like it. Because it makes no sense how that would go on. But how they put it together.
Yeah, I know. So, anywho, well, somebody did attempt to fix this once. You know, because there's... Is that the hole for that? Oh, there we go. So if that's the hole... Yeah, that's the way it's... Well, that doesn't make any sense. Because those holes are in the wrong spot. But that is definitely the way it goes, is because I can see the cutout. See the little cutout right here for that spring thingy? So it definitely goes in there like that. So we just have to figure out a way to fix it. Once again, we'll have to take it to work and see if we can clean this up and repair this broken mess. Let's see, does this part work? Oh, that part still works. And that's what goes on the inside. All right, well, let's put the two screws back in here. So we have them. Do we have any metal like this?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
No.
All right, well, so we know we need to repair this somehow. Somebody attempted to repair it, but it didn't look like they did that good of a job. We're going to have to straighten all this metal out and try to line this up the best we can. I don't think this thing slides. Nothing slides up here, so I don't see why. If I could find another piece of tube to slide over top of this to sleeve this, I don't see why that wouldn't work. All right, so we have that. So let's take a look. Let's look and see if it's even worth doing. You know, all right, here we go already.
Yeah, ripped up.
It's got a bunch of rips in it. So unfortunately,
I think
it's
this is
steel.
just crap.
It's, yeah,
junk.
Unfortunately, somebody tried to repair it. You could probably get the part for it if you wanted to, but the canopies, you can get these things for $69. So I do believe this is going to the metal yard. And you know, even the case isn't that good because
look how worn out and ripped up it is.
yeah, it's already ripped up and stuff. So it is from 2014. All right, everybody, I think we are going to, this one's going to go straight to the metal yard. So just go ahead and load that stuff up in the metal, up back in the truck, and we will dispose of this, and that will become recyclable metal for the metal yard. Alrighty, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Sorry it wasn't a very interesting video, but the Tech Shade 2 I just don't think is worth fixing. Alright, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like our trash picking videos, and don't forget, we do have merchandise. We have G Automotive more t-shirts. It's got Mr. Gravel on the back. That's down in the link in the description. And we will catch you all later.